If you've lost access to both your Steam email and your password, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Steam account using Steam support and proof of ownership, even when you can't access the usual login details. This is one of the most important recovery methods to know if your account has old payment methods, linked phone numbers, or a game library you've spent years building. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Steam help page. You can do this from your browser by going to the official Steam support site. If you're already signed into a different Steam account, log out first so you don't confuse the recovery process. Once you're on the help page, look for the option that says, I forgot my Steam account name or password. This is the starting point for all account recovery requests, and it will guide you through Steam's official support flow. Next, Steam will ask you to search for your account using either your email address or your phone number. Since you no longer have access to those, enter the last email address or phone number you remember being linked to the account. Even if it's old, it's worth trying because Steam may still be able to identify the account from that information. If Steam says it cannot find an account with what you entered, don't worry. You should then click the option that says search with my account name instead. At this point, enter your Steam login name, which is the name you used to sign in, not your profile display name. This detail matters because many people accidentally use the wrong name and slow down the process. Once Steam identifies your account, it will usually try to send a code to your email or phone number. Since you no longer have access to either one, choose the option that says, I no longer have access to this email address or I no longer have access to this phone number. This is the key step that opens the recovery form and lets you contact Steam support directly. From here, you'll need to prove that you are the original owner of the account. Now it's time to fill out the recovery form carefully. Start with a current email address that you can access right now. This is the email Steam support will use to communicate with you during the recovery process, so make sure it's typed correctly and that you can actually receive messages there. After that, enter the first email address you used when creating the account if you remember it. If you've had multiple emails over the years, even partial details can help. You should also include any previous phone numbers that may have been connected to the account, if applicable. The most important part of the form is proof of ownership. Steam wants information that only the true owner would reasonably have access to. If you made purchases with a credit card, include the cardholder name, the card type such as Visa or MasterCard, and the last 4 digits of the card used. If you use PayPal, provide the billing address and the invoice ID from a previous transaction. If you ever registered a physical retail CD key, enter that key as proof and if possible, attach a photo of the key with your support ticket number written next to it on paper. You can also include Steam wallet codes if you redeemed physical gift cards in the past. The more accurate and specific your information is, the better your chances of account recovery. After you've filled everything in, click send and submit the request. Steam support typically responds within 24 to 48 hours, but sometimes it can take a little longer depending on the case. Make sure to check the new email address you provided for a reply from Steam. They may send you a password reset link, or they may ask for a little more information to verify your ownership. If that happens, just respond as clearly and accurately as possible. And that's it. Even without access to your email or password, you can still recover your Steam account by using the official support process and proving ownership. The most important things are to stay calm, enter the correct login name, and provide as much valid purchase information as you can. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and comment below if you want more account recovery videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.